I don't know if you've noticed, but recently a certain type of AI video has gone completely viral. Hallways, subway stations, classrooms. The protagonist raises a hand, and everything around suddenly freezes. Then with a bang, it explodes. This time freeze effect is sweeping across all platforms. Today what I'm going to do is show you the video prompt, so you can copy and paste it to use, and also break down for you the complete recipe for how I generated this viral video from the first line of the prompt to the final output. First, open LartAI, then click on Video Generate. Select the Seedance 2 model, then set duration to 15s, resolution to 1080p aspect, ratio to 16:9, and make sure to check Generate Audio. Next, we start deconstructing and writing the prompt. Everything begins with defining the protagonist. I need someone who can carry this superpowers scene. I want the supernatural ability and everyday scenario to collide and create maximum sparks. A girl who looks like a student but possesses divine power. I think this contrast itself has storytelling power. And specific descriptions like long straight blonde hair, ice blue eyes are the clearest instructions to AI, ensuring she maintains the same face and same clothes throughout the 15-second video. With a character, you need to give her a stage. I chose a long school corridor under harsh white fluorescent lighting. Plus, long corridors give the camera natural depth, allowing flying shots to have space. That cold fluorescent light immediately sets a suffocating tone. Most importantly, I added one sentence to the prompt. On both sides, attackers close in, forming a tense pincer formation. This directly tells the AI, distribute the bad guys evenly on both sides of the frame. Pin the protagonist alone in the center. See, good scene description will naturally frame the shot by itself. Alright, here comes the main event. How do you use text to make AI freeze time? I broke it down into 4 steps, each giving Seedance 2 clear instructions. First, state the outcome. Gravity vanishes instantly. Everything falls into complete weightlessness and suspension. This sets the physics rules. Fill it with details. Dozens of objects hang frozen in mid-air with perfect clarity. Open textbooks, scattered notebooks, red soda cans, wooden student chairs, all defying physics. This is the most important technique. Listing a bunch of concrete objects like this is how the frame looks rich and real, not empty. Add breathing room in everything frozen. I write sheets of paper, debris, and dust spiral around her in a slow, graceful, weightless orbit. This tiny bit of movement actually brings the entire frozen image to life. Design the explosion. She slowly raises her right hand, sweeps both arms outward from her sides. One smooth, decisive, perfect motion. Then, a low, resonant, concussive boom reverberates. An invisible circular telekinetic shockwave violently expands from her body. Here you have action, sound, visual metaphor. It is designed to simulate the layers of energy release. Most critically, you must use verbs and metaphors to tell the AI what the effect should look like. For example, the attackers are hurled like broken kites. Wooden chairs splinter on impact. Textbooks explode into cascading pages. The more vividly you describe it, the better AI understands what feeling you are after. For me, the most brilliant design in the entire prompt is here. After the explosion, everything returns to calm. Countless fragments of paper and fine dust drift slowly downward through the air like falling snow. And the protagonist's state, I wrote, she shows no expression or reaction. She does not even glance at the fallen attackers. She slowly lowers her right hand, then gracefully raises her left hand, tucking a strand of golden hair behind her ear in one fluid motion. My God, this gesture is so crucial. What it communicates is, defeating you guys is so ordinary. I don't even deserve a second glance. Fixing my hair is what really matters. This casual indifference conveys the character's strength and charm far more than any shouting or posing ever could. She is not engaged in battle. She is simply dealing with a minor inconvenience. Finally, use phrases like the camera holds on this final image. The lighting is cool-toned with blue shadows. To set the tone for the entire video, like applying a filter, ensuring the final output has consistent visual style. So essentially, generating such a video is completing a clear visual instruction checklist: who she is, where she is, how the miracle happens, and what emotion it ends with. This structure is universal. You can swap school corridor for subway station, telekinesis for magic, and the protagonist can be anyone. As long as you follow this logic for storytelling, AI becomes the tool to realize your ideas. I've already organized the complete English prompt for generating this video. If you need it, please like and comment time freeze, and then I'll send you the prompt. If you find this breakdown helpful, please definitely like and follow. It really means a lot to me. In the comments, let's chat. If you were to design it, in what scene and in what coolest way would you most want to freeze time?